Hello everybody. Here is a 52-inch CRAFTMADE CXL ceiling fan, or decorative. I was actually told it was a decorative from, a YouTube user. Amberlin95, I'm not sure. It's a long name. But anyways, so yeah, here's a polished brass and white CRAFTMADE decorative ceiling fan with a spotlight kit. The reason why I'm not doing a complete professional video of this is because I don't have time. Like I just said, I'll be giving this fan out at Fanimation. But I want to do some video of it so you guys can at least see it and hear whenever you guys want. So I thought this would work. We'll give it a quick spin. Just a little one there. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned. It's actually the fan. It looks like it hasn't been cleaned for 10 years. It is filthy, and I don't want to give it to. I will be giving this fan to a guy named, probably most of you know him, Alan Pavin. I think Alan Pavin. I don't know. I will be giving this fan to him at Fanimation because he is coming on the May group trip. And he said he called first dibs on this, so it's gonna be going to him. So yeah, I don't feel comfortable giving it to him when it's so dirty though. There's just dust everywhere, and I don't want to put it in my car either with all dust spewing all over the place. So yeah, that's it, guys. Here are the other two fans I'll be giving out at Fanimation just for a quick glance there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.